Hey little coders. This is Teddy and I am his teacher. Do you know there is a magic word in Python? Let's try something fun. Teddy wants the candy but he has forgotten something important. In real life, what do we say when we ask nicely? Yes. We say, please. Python listens using input. Then Python decides using if. If you type please, you get a reward. Wow! It worked. Because Teddy used the magic word. Python is very smart, but it only understands exact words. Now it's your turn. What happens if you type please? Pause 2 seconds. Try it at home. Coding is like talking to a computer. You must use the right words. And being polite always helps. Great job, little coder. You just learned a Python magic trick. See you in the next video.